Oh, wow. Bit of a pickle right now. This has everything to make it look like a demon. Yeah, this is just your V6. I'm sorry, car. I can't do anything for you. I'm a man on a mission. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here at, you see the storage tanks, you see the Powerade, you know I mean business today. Yeah, this is Copart, and I am looking for something to add to the channel. I've been working very, very hard. I've been doing all kinds of bike reviews and dash cam reviews and making, I don't know, let's pull the engine out of this car video and put it into that car kind of video. So I think I deserve something kind of nice. We'll see what I find. Maybe we'll find something for you as well. So let's get started on this walk around video. Woo, we're starting things off good today. Look at this, 2002 Pontiac Grand Prix. Purple, and if this is true, I think it could be the GTP. This is the if it's the supercharged version. I think it's a good looking car. It's purple. It is a lot of purple. Damage, I don't see a lot yet. Lost type is listed as unknown, and oh my goodness, does the interior look nice. 40th anniversary Grand Prix. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness, with the chrome and the tires. Goodyear tires? Oh, lost type is unknown. That could be kind of scary, but look at the, oh wow. Look at how nice this is. Holy moly. Look at that, that's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Do I need a Grand Prix in my life? This is incredible. Super sporty, but why are you here? Even with the sunroof, you've got these little things, adding a little bit of height to the roof. You got your scoops up front. Is this open yet, or do we have to wait? Yeah, we gotta wait. Okay, well, let's hop in and see what she's got. Yeah, this is beautiful. Oh, I don't like how they had to glue this. Yeah, that's, ugh, is that sticky? Yeah, that's sticky. Ugh, yuck. Okay, let's open this too, because let's let some of the heat out. Look at the stitching on the seats. That's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. For 23 years old, this is in great shape. 104,000 miles. That's it? Wow, I like the purple and the black. You get one key with one remote. All right, here we go. How do we take a look at the engine? Is this a true super? Yes, sir. There's your supercharger right there. Wow, so this is 260 horsepower. I think it was like 200 regular, but you get the supercharger. You add 60 to it. Oh my goodness. That's nice. It is really, really nice. Let's check the oil. There is oil. Okay, that looked okay. Deck's cool. Look at your overflow. Look at this. And there is some in there, so that's good. The belt looks good. The engine really does look good. All right, let's see if we can do something. Things are happening. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, that sounded bad right at first. Look at this. You got a boost gauge. Oh my. These seats are way, way, way back. Let me see if I can fix them. There we go. That's a little better, but look how cool they are. Look at this, 104,000 miles. Let's turn this on. AC is on. Why is this lost type unknown? They got the oil changed at a take 5. It goes into reverse. Goes into drive. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yeah, that's a little bit of a knock in the engine. I didn't even step on it. I just lightly tapped. A light tap of the gasoline. This car. Yeah, I'm sorry, car. I can't do anything for you. I wished I could. This is so cool. But it's got a knock. That's unfortunate. That really is, because this is, oh my goodness. Look how gorgeous this is. I'm still going to tell somebody about this car. Somebody who loves cars of this era. And this is a beautiful car. I don't know if he's going to want to put the work into it, but yeah, this is something that I think deserves it, but who knows? I like it. I really do, but it's not for me, so we must move on. 2022 Dodge Charger GT, the Smiths in her face. Yeah, she's in a bit of a pickle right now. Yeah, but you know what? The parts for these are very inexpensive. Headlight, grille, bumper, you're good to go. You can see the tread on the tires right there. You might need, okay, add a couple of fenders. Now it's getting more expensive, and a hood. I just thought it was a cool color. It says it's a GT. I just wanted to see what it sounds like, and I'm looking for a little AC refuge right now. So we've reviewed these before in the past. They're big cars, fun cars. Some of them are poser cars that, you know, you dress them up to look like they're going fast, but you got the V6 under the hood. This one is actually very clean. Look at this. Okay, this is good. And there's power, which is great. Let's see what she sounds like. Sounds good. Oh, good radio. Yeah, got the bull. A little country action going on right there. Loving the air conditioning. Already cold. We have low washer fluid. 54,000 miles. 54,000 miles on a 3-year-old car. So this one has spent a lot of time on the highway, I bet you. We do have a check engine light, the brake light, windshield washer, door open light. Lots of lights on. That's okay. Does she go into gear? There's your reverse. Yep. She go into drive. Yep. She looks good. Windows are going to work. It's a 3-year-old. Come on. There you go. And as you can see, the mirrors still go up when they're in the park position. Look at that. Okay. No sunroof or anything. Not a problem. Let's take a look at the engine and see what she's got. All right. The damage didn't affect anything up here. I mean, your radiator, everything else seems to be fine. Just some bolt-on parts. Yeah, this is just your old V6. Nothing fancy, but it does run good. It does run good. Okay. So this is not a wolf in sheep's clothing. This is just a sheep in sheep's clothing. But you know what? You want to get something, save some money, get some easy bolt-on parts, and you could have a nice Charger. You really could. No problems at all. In fact, you still have your headlight. It's all busted up though. Okay. Kind of cool, but let's see if we can find something way cooler. This is something that looks like it's going to go very fast. Look at the wheels. Look at the tires. Missing your center caps, that's okay. Look at the striping. Look at the shaker hood. This has everything to make it look like a demon, like a wolf in sheep's clothing. We were just talking about this, but we do have lots of little circles. So maybe this is a hail, well, lost type is unknown. 2016 Dodge Challenger with some very cool, some very fat tires. Wow, what are these? 285, 35, 20. 285s. Woo! Look at all these little marks. 31 out of 50 Q. What at 500? I don't know what these are. 16 out of 30 Q. I don't know. Huh. Oh my. Okay, well, yeah, this looks way sportier. And it's okay. Well, it's a stick shift. This seat is all beat up though. But it's the real deal. This is the real leather. Okay. Well, my goodness. 127,000 miles. Let's just see what's going to happen. Look how heavy this key is, or look how big it is. I can tell you how heavy it is. Thing weighs a ton. They got that thing protected like crazy, and they have a little red circle around your start and stop. Yeah, this is just your V6. This just sounds like a V6. No, it doesn't. Oh my goodness. They're also listening to country. What is it with Chargers and Challengers and country? I think I know. I don't want to say anything though, but yeah. Oh my goodness. This person also liked to drive way back like here. This is a nice place to be. This one does have a roof on it. A sun roof, a moon roof. Like I said, 127,000 miles. Check. Tire pressure light is on. Seatbelt light is on. No check engine. Nothing like that. Give me some AC though. Oh my goodness gracious. Yes. Turn down the volume. Here we go. Now we're living large. Oh, this is so cool with the carbon fiber. Whoa. Okay. Did I tell you already lost type is unknown? So who knows what the issue is. I haven't, I don't even think I walked around the vehicle in the back or anything. I just jumped in. I wanted to see, look at the handle. Look at this. Look how cool that is. Yeah, I wanted to get in here and start her just to see what she's got. So now let's go look. Oh, some kind of a security thing right there. Okay. Got your Hemi. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's big. Look at that beast. Whoa. Yeah, this is, she will get up and go now. She does sound good too. And it's a true shaker hood. I love that. I love it, I love it, I love it. So this is the 5.7 liter. What does this say? Conforms to regulations 2016 model year. This is a, what year is this? 2016. Okay, well that explains it. Listen to the exhaust. There's a little bit of tread on these super fat tires. Here you go. For artistic purposes. Oh, so nice. Okay, well this is quite the vehicle. This is quite the find. It's not me, but it's cool as heck. Yeah, look at this thing, and it's in really good shape. So why? Why would you be here? Lost type is unknown. It looks like there has been some painting right along here, so. They have all these things circled, but I really don't see. Maybe they're just trying to camouflage something else. Maybe they just thought, okay, well, someone's going to think this is all hail damage. I don't see it, though. I love the sticker. I really like the wheels. I love the wheels. And I love the sound of the exhaust. Oh my gosh, let's go in here and enjoy some air conditioning. And the steering wheel with the carbon fiber. Yeah, and the red. Oh, so nice. Okay, well, I don't know. I really like this. It is so cool. I don't know if I could drive it though, because that clutch, that's a good clutch. Yeah, to push that all the time. Actually, when my daughter, Julia, who does watch the videos sometimes, she wanted her first car to be a Mazda RX-8, and it was a stick shift. and the clutch was so hard to push on those. I just didn't think she could. And so her mom and I went to the dealer to look at it, and I just didn't think that she could do it. It was just way too much car. It was way too heavy. She had a heavy foot anyway. And we did not get the RX-8, but we brought home something for her mom. What was it? Like a Mercedes ML or something, and Julia was so mad because we didn't get a car for her. We got one for her mom. Oh my goodness. But then we ended up getting her a really cool Mitsubishi Eclipse, red and black, that she liked a lot. It was a convertible. It was gorgeous. So she did better. That one was an automatic, and it would not have gotten her into so much trouble like that RX-8 would have. But this clutch, this is that's a lot. That's a lot to do. That would get really old in city driving. So I think I'm going to pass on it, but this is a cool car. Super, super nice. A big thank you to everybody here at Copart for letting me come out and have fun in these cars and find these cool shaker hoods. And a big thank you to you for watching. I'm getting very close to 75,000 subscribers, which is great. I appreciate each and every one. Trying to make it to 100,000 because I want the plaque. I want that plaque. All right, everybody, if you have not subscribed, please do. And I will greatly appreciate it. All right? Yeah, okay, thank you, everybody. I was trying to think of something funny to say. It just wasn't coming to me about the plaque. I was thinking the Great Plaque Attack, but then that would be kind of strange. I don't know. We're going to say goodbye. The heat is getting to my head, so we're going to sit here in the air conditioning, and then we'll go out and we'll make one more video. Okay, everybody? We'll see you. Bye-bye.